this is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to change the language on your Android phone. Now you can easily change the language on your Android devices by going into the settings from your mobile phone. So if you have accidentally selected the wrong language when you were setting up your phone or purchased your device in a foreign country, all you have to do is navigate through your Android device's setting app and choose the language you prefer. It offers more than 100 languages along with the selection of regional variants. So in order to get started, go to your settings on the mobile phone, then tap on it to open. Here you need to find the system option. If you can't find it, you can go and search for personal option. If you can't find the personal option either, go to the search bar in the settings and type in language and input. Once you do that, you can see the language and input option. And if you own the updated version of Android 11 devices, then you can just go to the additional settings and tap on it. So here you can see the language and input option, tap on it. In this page, in the language section, you can see your languages has been set to English for United States. Now in order to change this, tap on it. Here you can see various of languages available. Now search the language you want to choose for your Android device and tap on it. For most of the Android devices, the step ends here. But in some devices, you can have the option add a language along with the choose the language you want to use option. All you have to do is you choose a language, then you drag the language to the top of the list. After doing that, you will automatically see the default language of your phone change. If not, you can always restart your device and try again. And this was the easiest way to change a language on your Android phone. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.